Okay, so this is my Masterbuilt cold smoker, my Masterbuilt slow smoker, kind of the terms used interchangeably. You can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order it online, as well as the Masterbuilt electric smoker like I use. So this is the first time seasoning this. Check out my unboxing video. Check out my Masterbuilt slow smoker assembly video. This is step number 3 before using, which is called seasoning. With any sort of grill or smoker, before you cook on it the first time, you want to thoroughly season it. And what that does, that eliminates any potential factory smells and or flavors that might exist. So I'm just going to put hickory chips in here. Load it up with some hickory chips. We're not going to attach it to the Masterbuilt electric smoker yet, but we're going to load it up with a moderate amount of chips and just let it smoke out, by itself for several hours, because we want to make sure that it is thoroughly seasoned, and then that way when it's time for the initial cook, any paints, greases, oils, whatever that might be present on this brand new Masterbuilt slow smoker, hopefully they'll burn off. Now I'm not going to do a tremendous amount of chips. You may want to let it run for 6 hours or so. You do what you want to do. I'm just going to put enough in here that'll hopefully smoke for a couple hours. And you may have a different opinion. Do you want to season it for 6 hours, or do you want to season it for 2? Comment below and tell me what you think. But one thing is certain: if you don't season it, that's not a good idea, because you're going to have potentially some very nasty tasting stuff. And why ruin an otherwise delicious smoke because you were in a hurry and you bought this and you wanted to use it before you seasoned it? So take your time, man. Smoking barbecue is not a rush process, and that includes the seasoning step like this. So now that we've got a sufficient amount of chips in there, we're going to gently drop this in there. And then once it's in, we put this little lid thing on. We're going to close this. We're going to move our chip tray. And by the way, I've linked the electric smoker like I use, the slow smoker, and all the accessories. Expand this video's description, and you can find everything linked there. But now what we're going to do is plug it in. I've got an extension cord. Outdoor use extension cord, I must add. And you would never do this in the rain, because it's electric. But see, obviously I do not have it attached to my electric smoker, and that's because until it's seasoned, it won't be. So I plugged it in, and now I just turned it on. And the expectation here is within a few minutes, this thing ought to start kicking out smoke. That's the objective. So we'll fast forward this video and I'll get you to see the smoke coming out. So you can see now there's a tremendous amount of smoke coming out, and I'm just going to let this run without attaching to my Masterbuilt for a few hours. And what this is going to do is season, again, any factory flavors, factory smells, greases, all that sort of stuff, paint that might be present inside of this straight from the factory. This is going to season it, and then once it's seasoned and cooled down, then I'll be able to attach it to my Masterbuilt electric smoker, and I've got a new and radically improved device for delivering just an insane amount of smoke. And the value add of this, and we're going to do videos on that, so subscribe and stay tuned to my Masterbuilt electric smoker video playlist, but is the ability to cold smoke cheese, cold smoke salmon, meaning that only this is on, and I wouldn't power on my Masterbuilt electric smoker. It would just feed the cold smoke, so I'll get the smokiness, but it wouldn't be cooking the meat or the cheese. So this is going to be a lot of fun, man. Appreciate your viewership, and again, expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order the Slow Smoker Attachment, also the Masterbuilt electric smoker like I use it in conjunction with, and all of my Masterbuilt electric smoking videos. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.